Well, hi guys, my name is Shanky Vij, and most of you already know me. I have a different channel that basically I started that channel as a vlog channel, my daily vlog channel. So I did not want that I enter into any of the copyright infringement issues and my main content of the channel gets removed because of that. So I thought of making a new channel, and this will be a new channel, and this will be only and only reaction channel. I'll be reacting to any of the videos either you which you will suggest or whatever is trending or whatever, and maybe this channel will be in English. I'll be using both Hindi and English, and this channel is called Crazy Reaction Network. So let's make a network. You comment upon you comment and I'll reply. I'll stay connected to you. So coming on to today's video is actually in the morning, Shivai trailer got released, the part 2 of it. I was in the office and I knew that, I had to do this. I have to do this, but I was in office and I thought of doing it in the office only, but then I thought I'll be thrown out of job if I do that. So let's start and let's watch the Shivai trailer. I have done here is the card where I've done the Shivai trailer 1 review. Now I'll be doing the trailer 2. I've not seen it because I want to see it with you. I want to see it with you. So let's start without deviating from the topic. Let's start and let's watch the video. Shivai trailer. I really hope it's not a 4-minute long video. It's a 2.47. Good. I remember this girl.
जिसके ना आगे कोई हो ना पीछे, वो सारी जिंदगी सिर्फ एक ही चीज ढूंढता है।
Nice eyes.
फैमिली।
Oh, see, this movie is basically more of an action movie.
हमारे रिश्ते की है।
Very good action movie, very good VFX effects.
सर हमारे
I love this girl. I love this girl.
इससे ना लगे।
Oh shit!
बच्चे की जिंदगी छीनने की जरूरत।
Why? He's a very good actor, यार. He's very good actor.
मेरे पास ऑलरेडी बहुत जिंदगियां हैं
Okay.
जो मुझे पालनी है।
Yeah, every trailer is making it difficult to actually understand what the movie is all about. So is it about mountaineering? It is about protecting someone. It is about fighting. I don't know, yaar. It's getting very difficult. Oh. The music is really nice. The music is absolutely perfect. I really love the music.
सारी जहां रुकी जिंदगी रवा एक मैं हूँ।
Come on, yaar. What should I react to it? I don't know. What should I react to it? I don't know actually. I love Ajay Devgan. Oh, October 28th, finally. Yes, October 28th. It's an Ajay Devgan movie. It's a very good action movie. It is full of VFX and it involves a very cute little girl in it. I really love the girl. I really love the relationship. Protecting someone.
को अच्छे बाप मिलते हैं,
Shivai.
उनकी तलाश बहुत लंबी हो
Oh
जाती है।
yaar. Awesome acting.
Thank you for the great response to the first trailer of Shivai.
Second.
Presenting the second trailer.
Second.
Hope you will like that too.
Yeah, we have really
Shivai
loved
is
it.
releasing on the 28th of October. So go ahead and book your tickets.
Absolutely, I'm doing it right now. Agar it
All
is
of you.
available. So
Shivai.
I'll just happy Diwali to you too. So happy Diwali to you too. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And this should be the last part, but do subscribe to my channel. As far as the trailer is concerned, again, nothing has been released. What the movie is all about. Maybe through the songs. It is not. Honestly speaking, it is not even giving that feeling of, this is the storyline basically. This is the storyline. So I will definitely be going basically from the trailer. I'll just be going to watch the action sequences and the VFX used, and definitely Ajay Devgan. Ajay Devgan is one of the best actors, and the scene in which he's crying, it is very difficult to shoot. Yeah, it is very difficult to shoot because we only see one person crying, but there are in that room only there are more than 50-60 people surrounding him with the lights and makeups and cameras and like that. So overall the trailer has again almost disappointed me. I know I'll be getting dislikes out of it, but it has again disappointed me. Again I'll refer to Dangal's trailer. Dangal's trailer has revealed everything what the story is all about, and it has not revealed the crux of it. Shivai trailer is all revolving around. The first trailer was revolving around the good action sequences and the effects. The second trailer is again loaded with a good background music and again almost similar action sequences and VFX and few of the good acting scenes. The first trailer was better. This trailer is okay. But let's see. Because it's a Ajay Devgan movie, I will definitely go and watch this movie, and I'll request you to please go and buy the tickets and watch this movie. Do not download it. It takes a lot of effort, yeah. It definitely takes a lot of effort. And for the new channel, the Crazy Reaction Network, be a part of this network because this channel is exclusively for reaction videos. It is exclusively. If you want to subscribe to my other channel, this is the link in which I shoot about what is happening in my daily life. And let's finish this video today. This is a good movie. And post your comments and I'll reply back. Post your comments and please tell me what do you think the movie is all about. Or there are many huge fans of Ajay Devgan who might be already be knowing what the movie is all about. I don't know what the movie is all about, so please let me know what the movie is all about. And subscribe to my channel, be a part of my network, be a part of this huge network. Let's make this a huge network, and it's a crazy reaction network. It's a crazy reaction network. So, this is Shankar saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching this. And thank you so much for watching this reaction video. I'll keep on posting more reaction videos. Bye bye.